What's up, y'all? So it's the hippie Krissy, and I'm back with another video. Y'all already know how I do. I got my client here, and it's good. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give you a top knot bun. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. Yeah, so that's what we gonna do. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the post notification so you know when I post videos. And I never really talk when I do my clients' hair, so y'all just gonna watch, okay? All right, peace.
Eyes are blue. Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no games. Chemistry.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
So y'all, I had ended up changing the hairstyle because I didn't like the outcome. So I ended up taking all the thread out and went ahead and changed it. So I ended up doing kind of like updo with a fishtail in the back into a top knot bun. So that's what you see here, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna keep videos like this coming, and just stay tuned. Peace. Hippie shit.